Alright guys, so we just bleached these walls, right? This is downstairs. Got rid of mold and stuff. Now we're gonna paint it. And this is how newbies should paint, right? So we're not pro at all, so it's just for entertainment purposes and how to paint. So right now he's opening a 2-gallon bucket of flat ceiling paint. It says it's good for 800 square feet. And this room is like 100 or 150. You guys can see that used to be red, whole red color. And since we sprayed bleach and you know, we actually applied bleach with a roller, as you guys can see, there's now blotches of yellow color. But that was just to get rid of any mold and mildew. And now we're gonna paint over it. And we're using just a flat paint. We're not using semi-gloss, we're using just a flat. But it's quick and dirty. Gotta get the job done real quick like that. We don't got time to waste. We gotta make money. And yeah guys, this is flat. So he's loading up to his brush. You gotta do this for like 30 seconds. There's no specific timeline. You gotta get it all in there, right? In between the fibers. And sorry guys if there's any echoes. I mean, the room is empty, right? Yeah. So let's begin, right? So what you do is just a little dabble, twist. I mean, I'm not telling you what to do, but I mean, I painted for 2 years, right? Now you gotta watch out because there's a bucket of paint behind you. Yeah. So what he's doing is the first coat. It seems like we're not gonna cover this wall in one coat. Yeah, so I'm just seeing like, I need to run, of course, like 2 or 3 coats because you're changing a color from another color to another. You gotta do 3 coats. Usually that's what happens when you have to change colors. It takes 2 or 3 coats. Especially when you have cheap paint like this one. This is only flat ceiling, right? So flat doesn't cover the walls that much. I mean, the paint over that much. Yeah. So let's just do this quick and dirty. Let me show you guys. I'm not doing from the side in the beginning, from the middle, just to show you guys, you know. So since this is flat, you could touch the ceiling. It doesn't matter. Ceiling is all flat too. But yeah. Getting the job done really fast. But you see the pattern, you gotta go back and just fade it out. Now go back and just fade it out like that. And this is getting done really fast. And this is first coat. You guys can see, I could tell it's first coat because you can see blotches of paint. And you guys saying, why it's gonna drip in there? We don't care. We don't care. So I know, but we didn't take that out on purpose. So, and yeah guys, usually when you start this, you gotta have to take out any outlet covers. So you don't wanna get your outlets all painted. And this is by no stretch of the imagination a pro job. This is for newbies, okay? Yeah. So do not go in the comments saying this is not how you paint. I would have done it faster. Listen, it doesn't matter. I painted for 2 years, but that was in the past, right? Now this is just, I'm just showing you guys a quick and dirty way to do this. Of course, before you want to do any of these wall paints, you always want to cut first. What I mean is go in with the brush, edge it out, you know, paint around objects like that, wall covers, before you get to painting. But since we're not pro, we don't care. We're gonna start the opposite way because we're G like that. Yeah guys, I'm just messing around, so let's zoom in right here. So he's getting his first coat done. I don't care about the edge because that's gotta be cut later. Yep. This is just flat, so. And of course we have the other walls which are yellow in color, so they only need 1 coat. See, look. Yeah, we're gonna need 3 coats for this one, but it's fine. Probably another bucket of paint. This says 2-gallon paint. Bro, this costs 40 bucks. Before inflation, we bought this for 20 bucks. Now we doubled in price. Doubled in price. Yeah, this is the paint we're using, just so you guys, you know, can know, okay? That's a very basic off of Lowe's. Yeah. Not sponsored. So this is real time. Let's see if he can cover this wall. I know it's tough, but, and he's not in the greatest painter shape, right? All painters are thin. Yeah, I a little bit let myself go, but hey, happens. I'm bulking up right now. Happens to be bulking up, yeah. Happens to best of us. But yeah, usually most painters are very skinny, so they get this stuff done quick. Like I said, I'm not a painter anymore. Yeah, we used to be skinny. COVID-19 shut that down. Heck yeah. All right, let me zoom out and see what he accomplished. This is where we are. And yo, take a thumbnail. Thumbnail? Yep. We need a thumbnail. Yeah. There we go. There we are. Hey, that was a good thumbnail. All right, so yeah, he just finished the first coat. Hey, I'll be back when he's done with the second. Oh, I mean first coat everywhere, right? There we are. Ooh, super speed. Look at him. This is live, guys. This is all happening right before your eyes, right? No, I'm not a pro. He's not a pro. Nor does he care about any drips on this tile. That doesn't matter. Drips, whatever. White on white, you're not gonna see it. Yeah, that's the best hack, best trick. You save time, you save effort. This is the lazy guy's paint. Lazy way to paint. See, he doesn't care if it's all dripping, on these tiles. Cause this is, it's not a custom room. Yeah, this is my room. Yeah. Get it done quick. Get it done quick. Now, if you don't care, I don't care. Bro. So yeah. Usually you want these I don't even know what are these rolls next to the wall. As you guys can see, he stepped over, and this prevents any paint from hitting the tiles. One coat. That is one coat. Let's see. Obviously, we need to cut. I left like 2 inches of space. See, now the reason why you want to cut first is because the texture. When you use a brush, there's a bad lines and textures. That's why you want to cut first and then go in and use a roll and then smooth it out. But here, I don't care. But you're not a pro. I'm not a pro. Take his advice. Yeah. See, I don't care if it's there's lines and stuff. Whatever. See, look. There we go. Yeah, right there. See, that's one coat. That's gonna be done in one coat. Super speed. Wow. Yeah, that's gonna be good in one coat. All right, I'll be resuming later. All right, guys. So we just did the first coat. You guys can see. It's still okay now. Now you see the difference. Pure white now. We need another coat after this, I think, for just this side of the wall. Yeah, 3 coats on there. That one needs another coat, and it's good. Yeah, since this was yellow, as you guys can see, looking pretty well, pretty clean. Yeah, this definitely needs another coat, and it'll be great. And this paint is a little bit weak, but for this one room, it'll be enough. Yeah, and it's looking really clean. There was mold and stuff. It's all gone. I mean, that's why you bleached it, right? Yeah, we bleached the walls, like I said. A little bit mold, a little bit. It's not so bad. Just a little bit mold. It's looking really good now. It's just flat paint. Looking sexy. So this is the second coat update. Once we finish, we'll show you the result. Do you have anything else to say before we show the result? Nope. Nope. I'm just focused. Yeah, on those trims, we did one coat as well. It was semi-gloss, but I turned it into flat. Here's a fact for you guys. Flat doesn't hold up too well, right? Flat doesn't hold up in terms of scratches and stuff, so you gotta be careful. So with that, let's see the final result. It's good enough for one room. Alright guys, this is the final result of the painting. As you guys can see, The white matches the tiles very well. And this is the basic paint in general. This took a day to paint. It's just white in color, nothing that important. It's just bland. As you can see all around here. So there's my light. So yeah guys, this is very basic paint job. This is how you do it. It's the final result. It looks okay. You know, it's a flat paint. It doesn't have any shine to it, any sheen to it. Like I said, it's flat paint, not an eggshell or semi-gloss. So it's just this basic paint, okay guys? So if you did like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, even though it's not about painting. You might find other stuff we do here interesting, so stay tuned for more guys. Thanks for watching.